Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Alex Kimner with RDK Truck Sales and Service. Today we're going to be featuring a 2006 Mack front loader with only 101,000 miles. You gotta be kidding me. She features a 350 horsepower Mack engine. And are those miles correct? That's incredible. Also an Allison automatic transmission. As you can see, the arms work great. She runs great. She looks pretty much like brand new. She's definitely in premium condition. Features a camelback suspension. With a 5.02 rear ratio. And shoot, if I had my wallet on me right now, I'd buy this truck. Let's take a look inside. This 40-yard McNeilus. There's the push-out blade. Floors look great. Man, that is nice. If you have any questions or need any information, please call RDK today and speak to one of our professionals at 866-598-2950. Thanks and have a good day.